Right now we're getting ready to insert a bearing into the aluminum hub of our new quad line wheel. Before you even put the bearing inside the hub, just take a little bit of oil and run it right around the outside of the bearing. Okay, so it's not so tight. Then what you do, make sure that bearing is in there pretty straight before you actually try to pound that in there. So we want to take our K2 skate tool, line that up, and just kind of tap it lightly. Goes right in. Don't want to go in lightly. You take your mallet, pop that right in. I have a vise. I'm going to just take a small little screwdriver and it pops right out. Then what you do, you turn it on the opposite side. We're going to do the same thing. Dead center of the hub. Make sure it hits dead center. That bearing pops right out.